everyone, my name is Naisha Mehta. I study in UKG class. My school name is the Sparkles Play School. I am presenting few lines on rabbit. My favorite animal is rabbit. It is small animal. It has different colors: white, brown, and black. It has 2 long ears. It can very fast run. Rabbit popularly known as bunny. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Advir Bose. Today I dressed like an eagle. I am an eagle. I'm king of the birds. I'm very big and strong. I have very surprised to see my play from the sky. I have big wings to fly high in the sky. I eat fishes, small animals, reptiles, and birds. I'm not afraid of rain and thunder. You should always aim high and focus like me. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Siti Sharma. Hello, friends. Who I am? Meow, meow. Oh, yes, I am the cat. Cat is the small pet animal. And cats like mouse, fish, and milk. And cats have 4 legs and 2 eyes and 2 ears. And cat's nails and cat's teeth very sharp. And cats are just meow, meow. Thank you. My name is Sanu Sehwal. I study in UKG class. My school name is the Sparkles Play School. Today I am going to tell about few lines of butterfly. Butterflies are beautiful insects with colorful wings. Butterflies flies flower to flower collecting nectars. Butterflies found in garden, forest and meadows. Butterflies are symbol of beauty, freedom and transformation. Thank you. My name is a bunny rabbit. I am a cute and white animal. I have to eat carrot. I love long ears and red eyes. I love to eat carrot. I can hop and run very fast. I live in a water. Everyone loves me because I am very soft. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Good morning everyone. My name is Amira Thomas. I study in UKG class. I am 5 years old. Dog is a pet animal. It has 2 eyes. It has 2 ears. It has 1 nose. It runs very fast. Thank you.
Tiger is a wild animal. The tiger is a national animal of India. The tiger has a strong body. The tiger has a sharp teeth and nails. The tiger belongs to a cat family. The tiger in yellow in color. The tiger has a body. The tiger has stripes, black stripes on his body. The tiger belongs to a cat family. The tiger runs very fast. Thank you. The lion is a wild animal. It is the king of the forest. It has a strong body. The lion is very ordinary. It is always in color. It has smooth fur on its body. The lion runs very fast. The lion is very good at hunting. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Peacock.
बोलो बेटा.
I am National Bird of India. I have Bird of India. I have colorful India. Colorful Indian rains. Thank you.